Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Cisco Prime Infrastructure provides a comprehensive network management platform for monitoring, troubleshooting, and configuring network devices. Utilizing its API, you can automate various tasks and integrate Prime infrastructure with other systems. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the Cisco Prime API with Python. Obtain API credentials. You need API credentials to authenticate with the Cisco Prime server. You can create API credentials in the Prime infrastructure web interface under Administration Users User Settings. Determine API endpoint. Cisco Prime API endpoints typically follow this format: https://prime_server/webex/api/vn/data/resource, where prime_server is the host name or IP address of your Prime infrastructure server, n is the version of the API you're using, and resource is the specific resource you want to interact with. Let's fetch a list of all devices managed by Cisco Prime. In this tutorial, we've explored how to authenticate and make requests to the Cisco Prime API using Python. You can extend this knowledge to perform various tasks such as device configuration, monitoring, and more. Make sure to refer to the Cisco Prime API documentation for a comprehensive list of available endpoints and functionalities. Remember to handle errors gracefully in your code and ensure proper error checking and exception handling for robustness in your automation scripts. ChatGPT.